Hello, medallions. Take out your phonics A. In this book, today we are going to sheet number 6. Okay? Yes, sheet number 6 today we have to do. On the sheet number 6, we have sounds. Okay, in previous class we have studied from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, the sounds of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, and in this class today we are going to learn the phonic sounds of I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P and Q. Okay, so come on, let's start with me. Letter I says I, as in igloo. This is I. I says igloo. Okay, this is igloo. Okay, and the next one, letter J. The letter J says j. The letter J says j, as in jug. Okay, this is J. J says jug. Okay, the next one, letter K. The letter K says k. The letter K says k, as in kite. Okay, this is K. K says k, kite. Okay, and the next one, the letter L. The letter L says as in leg. Okay, this is L. The letter L says leg. Okay, L says leg. Okay, the next one, letter M. Okay, the letter M says as in mango. M says mango. Okay, and the next one, the letter N. Letter N says as in N, net. Okay, the letter N says net. Okay, and the next one, letter O. Letter O says O. Letter O says O, as in orange. Okay, O says orange. Okay, and the next one, letter P. Letter P says p, as in pot. P says pot. Okay, P pot. And letter Q says qua, as in queen. Okay, this is Q. Q says qua in queen. Okay, and next one, same we have to do from I to Q. Okay, this is fish. I says ish, fish. Okay, J says jam. Okay, ink. K says ink. This is L says belt. L says belt. Okay, this is M says dam. Okay, dam. And next, letter N says ten. Okay, N says 10. Okay, the next one, letter O says O. Mop. Okay, this is O. Letter O says O, mop. This is P. The letter P says P, top. Okay, and the next one and last one, Q. The letter Q says quill. Q says quill. Okay, students, just complete all these work in your book and after completing just read it aloud phonetically. Okay, thank you so much audience, take care.